I'm Andy, I'm Ty, and welcome to the AAPI Assembly. We have 13 great performances lined up for you guys today, originating from all over the Pacific Islands and Asia. So put your hands together for our first act, and Happy Asian History Month.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Okay. Hi, my name is Kat. I'm going to be singing Aishite, Aishite, Aishite by Kikuo, but in English. Once in a faraway world was a caller that coiled like a snake. I want someone please, I need someone please. Oh, I listen close as it happens. Please don't be angry and please don't abandon me. Don't leave me here on my own. Okay? Wrapped it so tightly, daily and nightly, only with paper and I can see the top of my phone. There's no one left for me to turn to. Don't I look good in this dress? I really must confess, it's tightening round my neck. Give me your love, all of your love. Give me your love, all you can conjure up. Give me your love, all of your love, till you go down with ecstasy. All of the hurt, all of the ache, help me escape. Take it up, take it away. Is this somehow Jealous you may, but the necklace will stay just too small. There's the day it was for. It's so suffocating, the endless placating. No one is ever enough. Always to anyone, always ranked number one. Are now your beautiful child. Hey, I'm better than her, I'm better than him. Oh, everyone come round and block it perfection. Leaving me right out the street. I'm finally confessing to you. Ain't it too good to be true? A girl like me in love with you, who's miserable, vulgar, and cruel. Give me your love, all of your love. Give me your love. You can have everything if I have you. I can have you. Shoulder my load. Now you're simply hold. It's not enough. You're not enough. Never enough. Still I will loosen my hold. Truly, I'm so sorry. Give me your love, all of your love. Give me your love, more and more. Give me your love, all of your love, till you go down with ecstasy. All of the いて Ask if I need you 味がなくていらないの乗るのに急いさいでも Please you なんでだけ freaky I guess you're my darling そんなんじゃ私にわからない行ったり来たりしないで簡単なことよ居場所は忘らんましょう明日も外でいたい裏な自分を甘えてが敵じゃない君とあんたで歌いたい暑い頃なら熱も待ってると思ってたけど足りない私の心 baby I say if I need you 味がなくていらないの盛るのに急いさいでも Please you なんてだって freaky I guess you're right darling そんなんじゃ私にわからないI say if I need you 味がなくていらないの盛るのに急いさいでも Please you なんてだって freaky I guess you're right darling いつもまそこにいて叫ばれてしなりコピーいらないわ乗るような瞳はしてるセットでの気分どんなにしないき予測はこんな味方いいね Want you darling baby stay you darling baby yeah
Hi, my name is Madeline, and I'm singing Happy Talk from South Pacific. Happy talk, keep talking, happy talk. Talk about things you'd like to do. You've got to have a dream. If you don't have a dream, how you gonna have a dream come true?
Apache, I'm going to be singing In My Mind by Lynn Lapid. Quiet as the city on a summer night after the rain. Faster than a bolt of lightning, the speed of a Japanese bullet train. And you know it's always trying to stay away. Oh, but darling, running ain't enough to escape from the monsters in my brain. People say I'm quiet most of the time. If only you knew what goes on in my mind. If only you knew what goes on in my mind. 2 in the morning, I'm lying awake. These thoughts in my brain, they come out to play. I'm replaying gumball to keep them away. Deep in the silence, may end up violence. What an anomaly, what a soul of me. People say I'm quiet most of the time. If only you knew what goes on in my mind. If only you knew what goes on in my mind. What goes on in my, what goes on in my, what goes on in my mind? What goes on in my, what goes on in my, what goes on in my mind?
Hayden, thank you. Really fast, I would just like to preface this. I've been in ASU since freshman year, when it was really, really small. And it's still kind of small, but it's grown so much. And obviously now we have like a full-blown assembly. We've gone from being online to only having like 3 of us and trying to like patch together an assembly to having something like this, which is incredible. And ASU has just been such a wonderful space to have. Yes. So a big hand to Ms. Wong. Thank you so much. You are incredible, and we love you so, so much. Okay, I'm going to be doing a monologue from Gruesome Playground Injuries by our Chief Joseph, who is half Indian. In this monologue, I'm playing Kayleen, and I'm talking to my friend Doug, who is very accident-prone and has fallen into a coma, and I have not seen him in 4 years. You can't marry that girl, Doug. You can't. Because what about me? What about me, huh? When my dad died, when you went to the funeral home that night, that stuff you said to me, you were always doing that, you know? Top 10 best things anyone's ever done for me have all been done by you. That's pretty good, right? And I know. I'm so stupid. I'm just fucked up, you know that. And so I need you to stick it out, Dougie. I'm gonna need you to come looking for me again. I'm sorry, but you have to wake up now. You have to wake up for me. Because I'm not great, you know? I'm not great. And I really need you right now. I really need you to come back and show me some stupid shit again. Tell me some stupid joke like you always do. I'm sorry. wake up now. I'm sorry I've been gone. I'm back now. You know, I'm back now. So wake up. Wake up now, buddy. Just, you know, rise and shine. It's Tuesday. That was always your favorite day. Thank you.
Hi guys. Oh, is this on? No. Sorry. Anyways, hi guys. My name is Giselle and this is Danny, and we're gonna be playing All I Want from Olivia Rodrigo because she is Filipino. I found a guy, told me I was a star. He held the door, held my hand in the dark. And he's perfect on paper, but he's not
by the Black and Japanese artist Umi. Boku wa kimi no koto ga suki da kara, kimi no koe wo kikoetai kara, itsu made mo matte ageru yo, matte ageru yo. Nande nani mo ka mo kizukaなんでよ、いつか僕のことを気づくのからね、気づくかな、気づくかな。僕は君のことが好きだからね、いつまでもいつまでも待ち続けてあげるからね。 Every day I'm sitting here helpless, I'm hopelessly waiting. I know that I see you, but do you even notice me? Yeah, do you even notice me? Notice me, 'cause 僕は君のことが好きだからね、いつまでもいつまでも待ち続けてあげるからね。僕は君のことが好きだからね、いつまでもいつまでも待ち続けてあげるからね。
Hey guys, I'm Leah, and I'm going to be singing Only by Lehigh from Korea.
You're so right! I want you!
Be my only one, 이렇게 부르고 싶은 이름 내 곁에서 늘 잡고서 같이 걸어요. 비가 오는 밤에도 외로웠던 낮에도 그대 환한 빛깔을 내가 가득 길을 줘요. 내가 더 잘할게요. 그렇게 같이 있어준다면. Now I believe 라라라라라 모르는 너에 자꾸 찾아 헤매이던 그대와 my 내 사랑 be my only love. Be my only one, 이렇게 숨기지 않고 또 말할 수 있어. 그렇게 난 말하고 싶어. I say I love you. Now I believe 라라라라 모르는 너에 자꾸 찾아 헤매이던 그대와 my 내 사랑이 my only love, my only one. 그대를 보면 그대고 싶어, 가지고 싶어. 그 사랑이라면 설플 꿈도 같아 My oh my oh my oh 내 사랑